students, welcome back to this new video session. Now we are going to enter into term 2, unit 1. The topic is affection. Affection is a fond of love or attachment for something. Affection is a positive feeling that you may have or express for some other people or things. The lesson name is Appa. Come, let's get into the video session. Term 2, Affection. Affection is a feeling of love, care, attachment and oneness for something. A mother hugging her child, a cat cuddling with his owner, and a husband bringing flowers for his wife are best examples of affection. Let us see what kind of affection explained in this lesson. Appa. Kiraikuppam was a small coastal village near Nagapattinam. Coastal means near a coast. Even though the people in the village toiled in the seas every day, they lived happily. Toiled means to work very hard. It was a pleasant Sunday morning in December. Just like any other day, the villagers had started their routine. Routine means daily work. A few of them had already left the sea, and the others were preparing to go to the sea. After the men sailed into the sea, the women would return to other tasks like cooking, cleaning, etc. that need their attention. The children would play under the many coconut trees in the village. The time is 8 o'clock. The village bell was about to strike 8 times. The bell caretaker was ready to ring the bell. Just then, he saw that the seawater had receded, that is, go or move back a few hundred meters. Soon, many in the village noticed the same. All the children and the villagers started running towards the sea. Meena and her mother were also with them. The seawater continued to move back. All had gathered, means come together in a group along the seashore to see it. People now saw a wave far away in the sea. The bell hit 8 times. Excitedly, they pointed to the wave that was rising high in the sea. It was common for people to be excited, that is, enthusiastic by big waves in Kiraikuppam. Everyone was getting ready to brace, means prepare themselves for something unpleasant to the big wave that was coming towards them. Little did they know that the wave was increasing in height and would seem to touch the sky as it neared them. It was now getting closer to the shore. Shore means land along the edge of the sea with a roar, that is loud noise. Gazing means to look steadily for a long time at the wave far away. Meena's mother felt a sudden fear gripping, that is, holding her hand, and started running towards their home. The wave come closer to the shore had crushed the fishing boats. Before they reached their home, the powerful wave had hit the village. Meena and her mother could hear their friends and family screaming all around them. The seawater entered the village and washed out the huts and boats. The water hit their hut too. Meena and her mother were separated and thrown off. Then slowly the water moved back again to the sea. Meena's mother gathered, that is, to be brought together herself and searched Meena. The second massive wave hit the village. Meena's mother was washed away by the wave. Meena whirled, that is, to move rapidly round and round through the water. Struggling to breathe, she was inside the water and all was dark around her. The wave banged, that is, to strike forcefully and noisily her to the trunk of a coconut tree. She wrestled, means to fight the wave, and firmly hugged the tree. She fainted, means lose consciousness. When she woke up, she was in the hospital. After she recovered, that is, returned to normal state of health, they transferred her to a rehabilitation center, means the action of restoring someone after a damage. The center housed nearly 99 boys and girls. A kind-hearted official of the center was always very kind to the children. He often used to visit them with his family. Meena was youngest of all and soon loved by all. The in-charge and his wife often carried Meena while she played with other children. All children used to call them Amma and Appa. After 3 years, the official was transferred. He and his family continued to visit the center once a year for the next 5 years. Meena now opened her eyes. Her cheeks were moist. All this seemed like it happened yesterday. The school bell rang and Meena wiped her cheeks to get ready for English class. Meena was good at studies and now was in the 12th standard. The teacher was teaching and Meena was writing her notes. She then heard a familiar voice calling her Meenu. She raised her head to see. She was surprised to see her father, the official, standing at the entrance of the classroom. He was smiling at her. She stared at him blankly, that is, without expression, for a few seconds, with tears rolling down her cheeks. She jumped out of her and dashed towards him, calling, Appa. With this story, we realize that the affection is the broadest basis of a good life. Thank you, children. Glossary. Receded, go or move back. Massive, large or heavy. Whirled, to move rapidly round and round. Banged, to strike forcefully and noisily. Fainted, to lose consciousness. Rehabilitation, the action of restoring someone after a damage. Blankly, without expression. Few more glossary. Coastal, near the coast or seashore. Toiled, to work very hard. Gather, to come ought to be brought together in group. Brace. To prepare yourself for something unpleasant. Wrestle. To fight by trying to get hold of your opponent.